Welcome. So this next area we're going to work on is an aspect of Wing Chun, and it's linking and unlinking the body. Now, I've talked about this in some of the other videos. When your body is unlinked, you generate more speed. So if I'm chain punching and I'm not pinning my elbow and knee together to clamp my body weight onto my fist, the punch will be really fast. I'll be able to get a Bill G strike out really quickly, but I'll do it at the sacrifice of not having mass behind the punch. So when you speed your punches up, the body will naturally unlink the joints to get more speed. When you increase the amount of connected mass and get more linkage in the body, then you'll naturally start to get more power but less speed. So there's a trade-off. So what I want you to look at as you're training is really investigate, when you throw a punch, how linked is your body, how much connected mass is there, and how much unlinked energy is there. So what we want to do is have a very clean, clear look at your connected mass. We went through the bathroom scale exercise. You have bathroom scales on the wall. You touch your knuckles on the scales, you relax and sink. Then you put all the power you can into it. You get a maximum reading, then you get a relaxed stretch, a neutral power reading. That neutral power reading is what people feel when you touch them. When you touch someone's bridge and touch their feet and you go to your neutral power, you have your whole body weight wanting to arrive. Now, if it's relaxed and it's perfected, I'm 120 kilos. My 120 kilos is going to touch my fingers and it's going to arrive inside my partner if I've achieved that neutral state of just relax, stretch, hang the joints, transfer my body weight onto the bathroom scales. If I'm still working up towards that point, I may only have 10 kilos on my hands, or 20 kilos, or 30 kilos. We want to get our body linkage, so we have a relaxed body link, our whole body weight arrives on our hands when we touch someone. And for us, we're totally relaxed and sensitive. To the person you're touching, go, wow, that bridge is so heavy. But you're fast, you're changeable, and you're able to execute your technique with full body mass, with full linkage. So this linking and unlinking the body really starts to determine how effective a person's technique is, how good you are at executing different techniques. If you do a bong sao and you have full body weight there, it's really effective. But if you're unlinked, it's going to collapse and you're going to have to rotate a little bit to take the force off you. So getting connected mass on each of your techniques by linking your body, super, super important. We've done a lot of videos on this, but I like to come back to it just to let people know how important it is. You really want to look at how linked and unlinked your body is, and when is a good time to unlink your body, and when's a good time to link. Every movement when you're executing wanting power, obviously you want more connected mass, you link your body. You disconnect your body if you want to yield, find a tricky position, if you want a really fast Bill G strike, then you unlink your body to get that more speed, get that more yielding, disconnect some from your center, disappear, and so forth. So investigate this quality in every one of your movements, use the bathroom scales, and really find how much neutral bridge power do you have, that you feel neutral, relaxed, and adaptable, changeable, how much of your body weight is reaching those bathroom scales. Okay, thank you for your time. I hope this helps with covering that theory and linking and unlinking your body, and we'll continue the Wing Chun journey together later. Okay, see you next time.